To pay with Apple Pay on the Walmart app, start by ensuring your device is compatible with Apple Pay and that you have the latest version of the Walmart app installed. Open the Walmart app and sign into your account. Next, navigate to the payment section by selecting the items you want to purchase and tapping the Checkout button. You will see various payment options, including Apple Pay. To use Apple Pay, you must have a debit or credit card added to your Apple Wallet. If you have not already done so, open the Wallet app on your device. Tap the plus sign and follow the prompts to add your card information. Once your card is added to Apple Wallet, go back to the Walmart app and select Apple Pay as your payment method. You will be prompted to authenticate the transaction using Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode, depending on your device settings. After authenticating, review the payment details to ensure everything is correct, including the payment amount and the card being used. If all information is correct, confirm the payment to complete the transaction. You will receive a confirmation message once the payment has been processed successfully. It is essential to keep your device and Apple Wallet information secure to prevent unauthorized transactions. Always use a secure internet connection when making payments and keep your device passcode or biometric authentication enabled. By following these steps, you can easily and securely pay with Apple Pay on the Walmart app.